somebody's already wondering, why is she so excited? I'm so excited because you've grown to 10,000 subscribers. Yes, thank you so much for everyone who has actually seen Jibbyfemforte as an opportunity to improve on their shoemaking skill and also as an inspiration. I want to give all the glory to God and also want to say thank you for being part of this move. Thank you for sharing the videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, especially thank you for commenting. You make me know that I'm actually, inspiring and being a blessing to you all. So in the celebration of these 10,000 subscribers, guess what you're going to be enjoying? All of my courses. I have a beginner's course, which is majorly on the basics of shoemaking. Basic techniques is what I taught there. How you can market, how you can go about your Facebook, how you can go about your marketing. That's what basically the beginner's class is all about. The intermediate class is majorly on pattern cutting, male, female, children, adult and children. While the advanced class is about moves and about heels. That is basically what the advanced class is all about. So with these particular 3 classes that I have, I am going to be giving each of the, if you want to go for any of the courses, I am going to be giving it out for $5. Yes, I'm going to be giving it out for $5. Against, you want to know against, I'm sure you can see what it is on the screen. Yes, it's going to be 2,500 naira. For those, of course, if you're in Nigeria, it's going to be 2,500. If you're not in Nigeria, you're going to be paying $5 to access any of those 3 courses. I need you to understand, as you can see on the screen, this is me celebrating and letting you know that the truth is that what makes Jibbyfemforte keep being Jibbyfemforte is the fact that you're washing. If I create, you don't wash, then it's as good as nothing is happening on that platform. And I want to say thank you. So you have access to actually enjoy this particular discount between now and the 38th of November. Between now and 30th of November. Now there are terms and conditions apply. The first instruction you have to actually go through is to first of all comment on this video and say, oh yes, I would love to participate in this discount. The second instruction is to go ahead to my YouTube channel and comment on any of my video of your choice. Comment on that video. Comment, say yes, we celebrate 10,000 subscribers. Thirdly, you are going to be sharing this video and tagging me. Yes, if on your platform it cannot be shared, send me a direct message and then I will send you the video for you to be able to post. Make sure you tag me. Your tagging me is what guarantees you this beautiful bonus. My first course, which is the beginner's course, is about 11,320 naira. So if it's going for 2,500 naira, I don't think it's something you should sleep on. The second course, which is intermediate class, is about 14,000 naira, and I don't see any reason why you should sleep on it for 2,500. So I just want you to know that this is me saying thank you. This is me giving you an access to those courses. Trust me, I am always in there to respond to your questions. And for those who want to still enjoy the weekend class, is still going on December. I've had a lot of people registered already. That still remains. It's a free class. All you do is just a commitment fee of 1,500 naira. So don't forget, this is just a discount and a bonus for now till November 30th. Come on now, what are you waiting for? Come on, more. Love you, right? Now, I want to quickly call our attention to this particular buckle. Now, this is one of the local buckles that we use around here. So I want us to make sure that whenever we want to use this kind of buckle, always remove this iron. Don't use this iron to hold the rivets, because most time it opens up and it removes. Before you know it, the person will not be able to wear the sandal again. So I always advise that we use a strap of leather like this. Just make sure the strap of leather can go in between it. The most important thing is it can go in between it and it comes out this way for you to be able to now hold down using the rivet. So each time you buy a buckle that has this kind of iron inside it, please don't use it. Always cut a strap of leather like this. When you cut a strap of leather like this, punch it in between. You can use a punch like this. If you don't have a plier, punch it like this. Now suspend it into it. It doesn't cost us anything to do that. I have found out that this lasts longer than you using that iron that is in between. It removes easily. So just hold it like this and rivet it. Just with this rivet, just rivet it on your back pattern or any other place you want to put it. Please stop using this iron to suspend your buckle. I think that's just what I want to call our attention to as regard that particular sandal that somebody sent. So let us all watch and do that. You can just apply gum here just to hold it together, then rivet it down. If it's too long, you can reduce it and make sure it stays properly. Thank you.